Hello guys, this is Prajwal. I'm a data science learner and I hope you're doing extremely well in these difficult times. So today I'm going to create a t-test function such that it will take all the numerical variables from your data frame and will ignore all the categorical variables and will return you a data frame which will show you all the p-values and the variable names. So here the target variable is binary such that we can do a two sample t-test. So let me run this code. I'll show you the output first and then we can go through the code. I've imported the data from here, Framingham CSV. You can find it online, and here I run the t-test. So as you can see, I have generated a beautiful data frame which will tell me the name of the variables, the target variables, its p-value and its interpretation, whether it's significant or not. So how I have done that actually is I have named the function as t_t_test. You can name it anything, it doesn't really matter. And the function takes three input arguments, that is data, a variable names and the target. Your data is a data frame that you want your t-test to be performed at, and the variable you can give the names of the variables, or by default it will take all the variables, and for target it is supposed to be a binary variable. So I've initialized some variables here. The code will first check if the target variable is binary. If it's binary, it will iterate through all the variables, check that if the variable is numeric or not. If it's numeric, it will perform t-test, that is two sample t-test between the variable and the target variable. It will store some p-values, variables, and interpretation will be if the p-value is less than 0.05, it will be considered as significant, and if it's not less than 0.05, it is more than 0.05, it will be considered as not significant. So I have stored this data frame where it will take variables, target, p-values and interpretation, and I've stored it here, and I've viewed this data, and here are the results. As you can see, each and every variable that are numeric, like age, 6 per day, total cholesterol, system BP, etc., are being compared with the target variable, that is binary of course, and it has generated a p-value. So if the p-value is less than 0.05, it is significant, so that we can reject the null hypothesis, and if it's not less than 0.05, it is not significant. So this is it for today. As you can see, this is very helpful and it might be very easy interpretation for your data set and its variables. So I'm sure you would like it, and I hope you share this video, and thank you and have a great day. Cheers.